Hey, what's up guys? Cool Dude Z Killer here on a very quick tutorial on how to do a countdown timer using OBS's integrated countdown timer. No downloads are required, nothing like that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead and start with adding a new text source. I'm going to just do CD timer, pretty simple. Selecting, you can change the font, color, all that kind of good stuff. I'm just going to change it so it's not so big. And now we're going to go up to this tools, scripts, add a new script. It'll open this little folder. Go ahead and double click the countdown LUA and it will allow you to change everything. For the sake, we're only going to do 1 minute here. Make sure you select the correct one. And here we can do welcome all. Okay, that will show when it is done counting. You can move it around, do whatever. I have a second scene here just to show you if we leave the scene and come back, it will automatically start the countdown. Otherwise, you are done. That is, like I said, is very quick and easy. Just boom, boom, done. If you want, if you're like me and you don't like hours, because I'm not gonna say stream is starting in 1 hour. So if you want to get rid of the hour section, continue watching and I'll show you how to do that. It is a little intricate, but pretty straightforward. Otherwise, you are all set. If you like what you see or want to learn more, like, subscribe, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get rid of the hours because I get annoyed by it. We're going to go back into the scripts. We're going to go ahead and right click and open the file location. On this, what we're going to have to do is we're going to right click the countdown LUA because for some reason OBS does not want you editing their files. So we're going to go ahead and open with, say, Notepad. Right here, just about a quarter way down the pad will say local text string.format. We're going to go ahead and get rid of this first formatting from the percent and colon included. Get rid of it all. And same thing with the hours and the comma, leaving it literally just that. Now, what you're going to have to do in order to save this file is go back into the scripts folder, right click, properties, security, edit, add. This is where you would add the username to your username of your computer, and then it will allow you to add it. And then you're going to click the very top, allow for full control, apply, okay, and okay. Now you can save it. Now when you go back to the countdown timer, as it has finished, we're going to go ahead and do scripts, restart the script. Now it is all said and done. Once again, if you like what you see, definitely do like and subscribe. I will try to get more out there as we go. Otherwise, happy gaming, happy streaming.